In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Substack publication. First, open your web browser and head to the Substack website. This is where you'll create and share your work with readers. Once the home page loads, look toward the top corner of the page and click the Sign In button. When prompted, type in your email address. Substack may guide you through a quick sign-in confirmation, so just follow any on-screen prompts to complete that process. After you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, look for the Create option in the navigation. Click Create to start a new post. You'll see a few format choices, and for our purposes today, choose Article. Substack also supports other formats like video, podcasts, and live recordings, which you can explore later. Article is the best place to begin if you want to publish a written post. You'll now be in the editor. Start by adding a clear, descriptive title that tells readers exactly what they're about to get. Then move into the body of your post and begin writing. Aim for a strong opening that sets the tone and keep your paragraphs concise so the piece is easy to read on both desktop and mobile. Use the formatting tools in the editor, like headings, bold, italics, and quotes, to guide your reader's eye and make key ideas stand out. If you reference sources or mention related work, consider adding links for context. Take a moment to proofread and make sure the voice and pacing feel right. Substack's editor typically autosaves, but it's still a good habit to pause and check that everything looks the way you want. When you're satisfied with your draft, click Continue. This brings you to a quick review screen where you can make sure your title, body, and overall setup are ready. If all is good and ready, choose Publish Now. This tells Substack to make your article live immediately. Next, select Publish without buttons to confirm the post and publish it as a straightforward article without any extra prompts or add-ons. This keeps the process simple and gets your writing in front of readers as quickly as possible. That's it. Your first publication is now live and ready for everyone. After publishing, you can share the link with your audience, and when you're comfortable, explore Substack's other formats or features to grow your publication. For now, you've successfully created and published an article from start to finish.